In this video, we will use PyCharm to fetch Google stock prices with the help of the yfinance library. But before that, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. First, we will import the library we are going to use. Let's write import yfinance as yf. Then we will create a variable where we will keep the name of the stock we want to find the prices. I will name this variable stock_name equal with Goog, which is the name of the Google stock. After that, we have to set up the starting and the ending period for which we need the data. Let's set up a variable start_period and let's make it equal with the first day of 2024. And then let's create an end_period variable and set it equal with the first day of June. Now I have set all the variables that I need to fetch the data. Let's write data equals with if.download, and inside the parentheses I will give the name of the stock, the starting period, and the ending period. I run this command, we have no errors, so our data are ready. Let's write data.head to print the first 5 rows. And we see that we have the data from Google stock for the selected period. We have the opening price, the closing price, the lower and the higher values, the adjusted close, and the volume of the price.